Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Hyundai Tucson SEL. This vehicle only has 38,334 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This all-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 4-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 17 by 7 inch alloy wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a gray cloth material throughout the entire car. When it comes to the front, we do have a touchscreen radio, your heated seats on both sides, your drive mode gears, cruise control, and push to talk. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.